Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today. Wednesday, May 22nd, 2024 is going to be our intraday chart review. A little bit of a better day than yesterday. We had FOMC, so we had some bigger range with the ATR for today. Quite a few setups. It was actually a little bit choppy. We had some, maybe one or two very clear setups in my opinion, but overall it wasn't too bad of a day. Unfortunately, I wasn't here for too long in front of the charts, just had too much going on. But nonetheless, let's still get into the chart review and see what we had for today. Starting off in the pre-market session here, I did see this first entry, second entry short. This is an inside bar. This isn't going to be marked or anything, but as you're looking at it, you do still have a move down, break leg to a new low, kind of does a triple test around here. And this is kind of where you get your first bar 30 minutes before the market opens. Of course, a nice first entry, second entry long, and it's also a 1, 2, 3 triple test. So I like this setup right here. Nice big bullish green bar, plenty of room back up to the highs, and market opens 9:30, and this trend starts here. Now this is quite choppy as you can see, but you do get a first entry, second entry long. This is quite messy here. I'd say the only real way to enter this is on this bar after this bar closes, and then you realize it trapped all the short traders here, stop them out basically, and it's going to reverse sideways. This is an aggressive trade. It's just not very clean. As you can see, it is quite congested. Nonetheless, we're going to move up here. We get a break in new high. But before that, we do get a first entry, second entry long. The only problem with this one is, again, it's an aggressive trade because there's just almost no room back to the highs. Sure enough, it sells right off here. There also is a pretty tight trading range going on here as well that you can mark if you'd like. Where are we? Here we go. Very congested. Again, just waiting for FOMC as it was at 2 o'clock today. We get a breakout, comes up. You get a leg higher here after this break in new high. It sells off quite rapidly here. And unfortunately, there's no way to get in this move down. And you can mark your trend channels, of course. You get a move up, break, new high. It does test this one right here. It does test this high again. Maybe you can look at this as resistance, double top, depending on how you do it. I just didn't like the signal bar. And with FOMC coming up sooner than later, that's what happens. You do get a really nice move down, and you get a first entry, second entry short. Beautiful. It's a little sideways here, but overall really good signal bar, second entry short. Great scalp there. And then you do get another first entry, second entry short. This one's an inside bar. It didn't tick higher. But it's such, I think there's only, let's see how much risk this is. Yeah, 6 ticks of risk. I mean, it's absolutely nothing here. So really nice first entry, second entry short. Leads to quite a big move down here of this trend channel that's bearish. Then it breaks. And then you also do get a first entry, second entry long failure. And this is a lower high of this double top. And this is basically just trapping all the bull traders here for sure. Sells off, and you finally get your new extreme after a little bit of a final flag of congestion around the bottom here. There is a first entry, second entry short here, but unfortunately it's just not a good signal bar. It's an outside bar, and you never get a lower high. Moving right along, though, we do get a nice move up, break, new high. And I saw this as quite a bit of congestion across the board here. And so after that, it sells off, tests the lows back down here in this zone. And as the day is ending, we start rallying up. And, I did see a measured move here, went past it a little bit, came up, and sold right back off. There is a first entry, second entry long failure that I saw here. It's just way away from the EMA, so it's not marked. But as, if you are trading the last few minutes of the day, then that's kind of what you saw. Sorry to make this so quick, just got a lot to do. Again, I won't be here Thursday, Friday, and Monday's a holiday, so we'll resume back Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. That's how I saw the chart for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this chart review, and I'll see you guys next week.